Nothing necessarily because I think that oh shit. I didn't even make it over here.
It's the day before open house, or 2 days before open house.
We like to party.
We like to party.
Hammer and chisel, baby.
That's right.
Hammer and chisel.
So that's what we want happening. I think it was last week, but that's
You guys have seen this. I did a drive on it. Well, recently there was ECU issues, so you know, as you do, you're going to redo the ECU, but then you're also just going to redo all the wiring. And he's replacing the coils. I think spark plugs too. Just getting a lot of work done on this thing, but it will get done and we'll be driving again. But I got a Q60 that's got a battery issue and or alternator issue. Some mini work, supercharger swap changes. This is a fun project. I don't know if I can tell about it, so I won't say anything. And then of course we got Sid's, the owner of MXPi, his Celica all track 93, I believe. Just hanging out, bothering Renault while he works. 2 days, we got a show, an open house. That is static, no bags. Fantastic. Holy shit. Oh, that's great. Yeah, only 600 to the crank. Wow. Wow, man, that is amazing. I don't think I've ever been in a car that actually pushes my head back like that. Not bad, right? Dude, and it sounds great. I love that sound. That's not stock, is it, that exhaust? Sounds so good. Like, they might be heavy, but you couldn't tell when you're accelerating. It masks it so well. Oh yeah, dude, it felt comfy. Buddy Jeff just picked up this Columbia 4, extremely clean. Jeff, if you're watching this, I'm jealous of your car. Congratulations on the pickup. This is dope. I'm a big fan of Supras, especially when done right, and this one I'm loving. Love the spoiler. $255 square. Very, very nice. MR2 is absolutely clean. I'm really, really impressed with this thing. Some NKs. Nice little accent trim on the inside. Big props. 245s in the back and 235s in the front. Very nice. I will always and forever be a fan, if not my favorite, STI body style, the blob eye. I will say these NKs, when looking at them in pictures, I'm not a fan, but seeing them on the car, they are fantastic. I'm actually really impressed with how good they look on the car. And of course they clear the big brakes, which is very important. What do we got? 245s in the front, 245s in the rear, square setup, as you should, all-wheel drive. Is it? Always a fan of these seats. Fantastic. Still getting some work done, but fun car. I drove I pulled it in and out. That clutch, man, it's not that bad.
No, it's not.
It's not bad at all, man.
300 miles away, I'm breaking them.
Dude, feels really like almost like stock clutch, man. Yeah, really good.